All right, so for problem number 10, you're asked to find the area of the red circle with a radius of 6.5. So it's going to be pi times 6.5 squared, or 6.5 times 6.5. So 6.5 squared times pi. You know, type in pi, I'll give you the pi key. And so it gives you the correct answer. The black circle, the radius is 2.5 squared times pi. And checking that answer out. And then then it asks you to move the black circle on top of the red circle so that you're basically cutting out a hole. Think of a donut, for example, or a metal washer, or a rubber washer, like if it was a hose. You're putting the black circle or sharing the same center, and what they're asking you to do is find the area of this remaining red region here. So this section here is, again, it's called an annulus. It's the area that's left over. So we're going to take the area of this original circle, 6.5 squared pi. I'm going to subtract away the area of the second circle, which is 2.5 squared times pi. And by subtracting those two answers, what we end up with is the area that remains. So one way of writing it would be this. You could always take the 6.5 squared minus 4.5 or 2.5 squared and see what's left. That would be another way of writing it. So we took 2.5 squared, subtract away, 6.5 squared, subtract away 2.5 squared. You would end up with 36 pi. So you'll notice that this is the decimal answer. If I go back in here, I would just simply take those two answers and subtract them and get 36 pi. Again, I'm going to get the same answer of about 113. So, two ways of doing it. You can write a subtraction problem or take 6.5 squared minus 2.5 squared to see what the difference is times pi. Take that times pi. I'm going to continue on to the next screen, so I would ask you to stop the video here and then go on to problem 11, and then come back and continue the video to watch how the next screen should be completed. So these two problems, 10 and 11, are very similar. It's asking you to find the area of the black circle. It's telling you the area, or the radius is 2, so it's going to be 2 squared, which is 4 pi. The red circle has an area, a radius of 4, so its area is going to be 4 squared, which is 16 pi. So you can check those again, see if we're right. And then the area of the annulus, again, if I put the black circle on top of the red circle so they share the same center, this red region here is that remaining area, which is called the annulus. I'm going to take the two areas. One way of writing it would be 16 pi minus 4 pi. Or I could take 16 minus 4, which is 12, and multiply it by pi. So, next problem, which is problem 11, I'm not going to be providing a video for problem 12 or 13. I'll talk a little bit about 14 though when we get to the next video.